to be difficult. About a half a teaspoon. Whisk it up real good. Mix it all together. Welcome back to a new season of Cooking in Calcasieu. I'm at the College Street T&I kitchen today, and our theme is tailgating. I'm going to show you how to make chicken kebabs and a Texas caviar dip. Both of these dishes are very healthy and are great for tailgating parties. And I'm going to make a quick marinade first, and we're going to use some honey, some olive oil, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to whisk it up real good, mix it all together. We're going to add about 1 pound of chicken. Let this marinate for about an hour or so. I have zucchini, bell pepper, red and yellow. I also have some red onion, and you can use mushrooms. You can use peaches, pineapple. Those are some really good fruits to use. Okay, let's put our kebabs on the grill. We've got it on medium-high heat. It's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Also, if you don't have a grill, you can put them in the oven on broil for 5 minutes and then flip them over and cook another 5 minutes. So it's a very quick dish. Okay, let's make our dip. So we're going to make a dressing that goes on our dip, and it's really simple. So we're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of honey, just 3 tablespoons this time. Red wine vinegar. We're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. We'll give that a good whisk. I've got a can of black-eyed peas. We've got a can of black beans, drain and rinse. Got a can of corn. You can use frozen corn that's thawed, or you can use a can of corn, kind of whatever you have at the house. I've got 1/2 of bell pepper, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes. I've got 1 jalapeno chopped. I've also got some red onions. See how bright and colorful this is? Lots of fiber, nice healthy dip. We're going to cut up a little bit of avocado in here. Let's add our dressing. And this should sit for about 30 minutes at least. Here we have our final tailgating dishes, our kebabs and our dip. Thank you for watching Cooking in Calcasieu.